Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to one of the dashboards we've created in-house at iCepts to help you get the most out of Business Central. Oftentimes there is a need to better understand your accounts receivable information, and this dashboard does just that. Your aged receivables are displayed here in an easy-to-digest format. It allows you to see the big picture or drill down to specific customers and even invoices. You have three presented areas of discrete time buckets: 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and over 90 days. This dashboard will quickly allow you to see the areas that need attention, help your organization stay on track, and with much less time and effort. As always, we can put this dashboard and any others into your Business Central users' rule center. Power BI dashboards make understanding your data quick and easy. Allow us to help you improve your productivity with Power BI dashboards and Business Central.